Frankfurt Fair knows its most important task is to bring together the right people seeking for and offering products and services, and this not only during each trade fair at Frankfurt but also online throughout the year. To make business happen, we need to understand what product manufacturers offer as well as the needs of the buyers. This may sound trivial, but putting it into practice is not. Take for example Sophie Anderson. Frankfurt Fair wants to recommend potential business partners to her. But which of the two manufacturers matches her business interests better? To take this decision based on Sophie's interest profile is first of all a data integration issue, because the available information about Sophie is stored dispersedly in various applications. In the data collected for each of the particular trade fairs, we find information about the products, exhibitors and topics she is interested in. But unfortunately, all this information does not sum up to a big picture. Useful recommendations require an intelligent aggregation of the information. With K-Infinity, Frankfurt Fair was able to merge the isolated information chunks into meaningful business profiles. Let us just view a small part of the database to understand how this works. Firstly, we have to put Sophie Anderson together again. Even she is called S. Anderson in one data source, Dr. Anderson in the other, and Sophie Anderson in the third. The same is true for product categories and industry sectors. They also come under different names in different data sources. We then have to extract the interdependencies and connections between branches, product categories and attributes stored in the data. Take for instance as an application domain for ye or lobby area the product attribute high durability, or the possibility to incorporate a logo into textile. They all are characteristic for the hotel industry. The variety of wordings for styles is particularly large. Here again, it is necessary to correctly recognize and reduce the various wordings to a single entity. Finally, we need a systematic product classification to organize the various products according to their common and different features. This way we can summarize carpets and curtains under the main category of home textiles. This way we produce a complete profile of Sophie and her interests. This constitutes the basis for calculating best matches for her business. By inspecting her profile, we see that she is doing interior design of hotels, especially the foyer and sitting room areas, her furnishing style being modern. Only after we have computed the complete profile based on all relevant data, we can check which exhibitors match Sophie's interests. We can then generate suggestions to bring her together with product manufacturers and service providers. This is how Frankfurt Fair makes online business easy, during trade fair periods but also during the time in between. Models which integrate and use effectively the interdependencies of all relevant data help to successfully realize the support for online business. And just remember, love your data, link your data,